In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Square as a payment provider on your Wix website. Whether you're just getting started with online payments or switching from another provider, this guide will walk you through the process smoothly and easily. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your Wix account and that you're using Google Chrome as your web browser. Although Wix works well in most browsers, Chrome often provides the best experience when it comes to accessing different features and settings without running into unexpected hitches. Once you've opened your Wix dashboard in Chrome, look at the menu options on the left sidebar. You'll need to click on Settings, which is where many of the important configurations for your site live. Now, within the Settings page, scroll down or look for the option labeled Accept Payments. This is where you set up how you receive transactions from your customers, so let's click on that. You'll see a variety of payment options that Wix provides, and for the purpose of this video, we're choosing Square as our payment provider. If you're new to Square, it's a popular payment processing company known for its ease of use and competitive fees. Selecting Square will open a new window or pop up within the browser, requiring you to log into your Square account. Of course, you'll need to have a Square account set up beforehand, so if you haven't yet done that, it's something you'll need to complete first. Once you've input your login details, simply authorize the connection between your Wix site and your Square account. This step is crucial because it enables these two powerful platforms to communicate, allowing transactions that happen on your website to appear in your Square dashboard seamlessly. Now that you've authorized the connection, it's time to configure the payment options and settings to your preference. This might include deciding on whether to accept credit cards, digital wallets, or set specific transaction criteria. These settings allow you to customize how your payments will flow and give you control over the checkout experience for your customers. Finally, the last major step. You'll want to make sure to save all your settings. This might seem obvious, but it can easily be overlooked. Once everything looks good, go ahead and publish your site. Clicking publish makes all these changes live and ready for your customers to use. And that's it! You have successfully linked your Square account to your Wix site, streamlining your payment process and hopefully improving the experience for both you and your customers. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to let us know by liking the video. Stay tuned for more tutorials and happy selling!